Okay, love bugs, get into the look. Today I've teamed up with Ashimary Hair. They sent me over this beautiful 13x6 pre-everything pull on and go lace wig. Now this one features a glueless technology where literally we use no glue, no gel, no spray. It has the peel and stick ear tabs on the side where you literally can peel and stick. So this beautiful 13x6 pull on and go lace wig is pre-styled. This one is also 22 inches in length and features a beautiful HD lace. The curved side parting comes already ready to go, as well as the pre-styled baby hair. She comes with a beautiful flawless hairline that mimics a natural forehead. The 3D dome cap makes sure everything fits nice and snug and mimics a natural head shape. And then of course we have that adjustable drawstring in the back to snatch it all in. So today you'll be seeing me do a quick and simple, easy, beginner friendly install where I'm literally going to just peel and stick the ear tabs, add a little lace tint, and literally we are out the door. The curls on this one come phenomenal straight out of the box. It's a beautiful layered cut that mimics like a butterfly cut, if you will. I mean, she's actually literally flawless. You're literally ready to go, red carpet ready in few minutes or less, even if you're a beginner. So I'm gonna jump into the video. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, today we're teaming up with Ashimary Hair. So in the package, we got lots of goodies. Their wrapping has their logo on it as well, plus that little sticker. And then you guys already see we got a nice shower comb. And then we also got some goodies. So starting off with this cute little mesh dust bag, we got a purple baby hair brush. The mesh bag does have their logo on it as well. So we got some Ashimary Hair HD wig caps, and this is the Ashimary brand. We got the peel and stick with double-sided wig tape. We also got this type of wig tape, so we got two different types. We got some bobby pins, silver and gold, and these right here, like I always have these. And then we also got some mink lashes, and these are the kind that you put on individually, the cluster lashes. We also got the wig band, but they have the best wig band on the market. They also include this padding on the side. We also got the bonnet and the robe. Both are super nice and a really cute little set. And then of course you add your melt belt with this. So like you have the robe, the bonnet, and you have that little melt belt peeking out. Super cute. Now this is our beautiful wig straight out of the box. It's giving pre-styled with these gorgeous curls. Look at that fluff and bounce and definition. I believe this one is 22 inches in length, and we are going with a frontal, as you see here. It's a pre-everything cap construction, so you get pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. And then again, that peel and stick wig tape is already installed on the side, so you literally can peel, stick, and go. This one also comes as a side part, so the parting is like a curved side part on the side. Cute little baby hair right there. So this here is the adjustable elastic band. You can adjust it, you can remove it, whatever you like. And it has a tag on it. So here at the neck you have your large comb, and then you also have your drawstring. This here works better than any adjustable strap because this is what's going to make your wig fit like a glove. Then you also have two smaller combs like right at the side where the lace ends, and I believe these are removable, so super nice. If they bug you and you don't like them, you could take them out, or if you just want to take them out temporarily, you can always put them right back just like that. Okay, love bugs, so this is what she looks like on. Again, it's giving pre-styled. Although this is a frontal, you'll still need minimal work. Here's a look at the hairline, and you'll be able to customize the lace to fit your hairline perfectly, again without doing too much. You see that baby hair is already installed. You see that pre-everything cap construction, as well as that curved side parting. Here's what she looks like from the back. The curls are nice and beautiful, and then of course you have access to that drawstring. So I'm going to just show you how simple and easy it is to adjust the drawstring. You can just access it, pull it out, find the stopper, and literally make it as snug as you need. Once you have it how you want, you just lift and tuck it back under so that it's undetectable. And just like that, I customized the wig that simple and easy to fit my head. So this one here has the largest frontal area in a Glueless wear and go series. It has the ear-to-ear full lace with max true hairline. I'll take it. If you see here, it also mimics the forehead contour, so it's not just straight across like your normal. With the drawstring in the back, it lays super flat and flush to my own hairline, and again, it has that perfect shape to where it doesn't just look like a straight across, if that makes sense. Okay, so simply stated, you just peel the blue backing off. Before I put it on, I am gonna trim because it is a little bit larger than my hairline. So from here, you just lay it and you stick it down. You warm it up really nicely. And I like to just tuck it behind the ears while it kind of sets. That way I can put the melt belt on and it'll really set in. So on this I'm going to show you a little bit differently. For the girlies who may not want to use the peel and stick, you just peel it, and if you peel it a little deeper, you'll be able to remove both the tape as well as the backing, and then you'll be able to go ahead and wear it more glueless. And you guys see, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off anything extra that goes beyond my natural hairline, doing more of a curved motion. And now when I lift all the hair up, I don't know if you can see, but now it's not too, it's the perfect size for my hairline as well as like my sideburn area, and it just fits nice and flat. And even without that, it still fits glueless. Next up, let's go ahead and tint the lace. Okay, let's take a quick little pause. Right here, there's no lace tint, and here you can see we have the lace tint. And look at how literally the hairline melted instantly. Keep in mind, we added no product, no glue, no gel, no spray to melt the lace. Literally just tinted, and that's all you need to do. And it literally disappears. Kids run around while I'm laying his hair. It's just on point with a little mama flair. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the dynamic duo. And this is what's really gonna snatch everything and make it look super salon ready. I'm gonna just put a little along the front as well as a little like around where we part. And we're gonna press that in really good. Life's a whole movie every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashimary Bedeck. Can you see how good that looks? Now I wanna make sure this is super melted. So while we work on the rest of the hair, we should be pretty much done with the hairline for now. So I'm going to take the melt belt and just apply it. And I'm just going to make sure it's concentrated right smack dab in the middle on the hairline. Okay, let's go ahead and comb the hair out. Now with this one, I noticed there's a lot of bounce in body. It's so fluffy. And then there's this beautiful butterfly cut in there where it's super layered, which gives you a lot of height and fullness. And again, that perfect body, that bounce. My daughter's so embarrassed of me. Yeah. Is it my life? Okay, so far so good. Everything is nice and sleek. There's a little height right there, but I think I'm going to use that to my advantage. So let's go ahead and touch up the curls. I'm going to use my Hot Tools curling iron, and I'm just going to go for it. Ashimary Bedeck in the spotlight. Sun up, hair tied, moving on a mission. Kids yelling mom every 5 minutes. Coffee in hand, but the cup's half missing. Still making magic like a mom, a magician. Packing up lunch, just find a missing shoe. Somebody spilled you. We went ahead and took off the wig band, and you guys can see how flawless the hairline is. Now that the hair has dried, or not dried, but set, let's try to comb out the curls. Look at how gorgeous that is. I love this butterfly cut. I love how elevated it is. Now, one thing you can do is most certainly add a little bit of serum, and that will help to kind of like tame the fluff. But I personally love the fluff. She's absolutely gorgeous. And again, we're still 100% glueless all the way around with the exception of the ear tabs. So get a load of that. And this is what she looks like from the sides. I'm a magician. This is what it looks like from the back. Okay, really quickly, I wanted to show you guys, number one, the wig is glueless, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. But I also want to show you guys how to style a wig like this. It comes pre-styled, so you don't have to do anything to the wig straight out of the box. Literally put it on, get a little brush out, and you're good to go. But if you want to go ahead and do something, you guys already know I am infamous for my beautiful updos. So with this one here, it's going to be super simple and easy. I'm going to want to keep this bang. I'm a lot of bang, like I'm a heavy bang kind of girl. And then since this part here is already behind the ear, or it was, I'm going to take this around like this. And then find yourself a nice little cute clip. I think my cute clip is like over there and I don't feel like getting up. And I'm just going to take like 2 pigtails, flip it back, and kind of like twist and merge those 2 sides together, trying to keep track and make sure nothing falls out of place. And I'm gonna take whatever clip I have on hand, bunch it all in there. And again, you want to be sure not to like let too much fall. And you literally have a beautiful updo just that quick. And because this one has some beautiful curls and it's literally the perfect length, it'll sit and fall like you meant it to be like that. And then you can just play with the piece that you left behind, and you can do it behind the ear, especially if you're going to an event like right now in California where it's really hot. It's really nice to be able to just put it behind the ear. For this look, I probably would tame the baby hair just a little bit, and I'm not going to use too much edge control so that it can still like lift and do its own thing. Or you can just go in and use your pencil curling iron to set it off, and that is beautiful. Or you can bring that bang back forward and then just gently try to pull some pieces down in the back, and you literally have a updo just that easy. Use like your bougie fancy hair clip if you're going for like a formal event, a wedding, like an outdoor event, nighttime event, to make it more elegant. You can get like the cute little Ashimary bobby pins. That gold right there is gonna look so good, and you can take and like pin it on the side or pin some of the curls up just to give it more of a elegant effect. But you literally don't need to hire anybody to do your updos. You just have to have the perfect wig, and this is it. And this is what it looks like from the back. Again, this is the part where you may want to have someone come in and make sure that everything is unclockable. You pull down any little pieces that may be showing like any of the wig, and just like that, you're good to go. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go catch some sun with the kids and the family. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.